Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate one of the methods for donning and doffing of gown-based PPE while working in COVID areas. There can be more than one recommendation regarding the components and the sequence for donning and doffing of the PPE. This video is based on recommendations of Hospital Infection Control Committee, the HICC at AIIMS, Delhi. The learning objectives of this video are to know the components of gown-based PPE to be used in COVID areas, to know the correct method for donning of this PPE and the correct method for doffing of this PPE. The components of the PPE are a surgical gown. This should be made up of synthetic material and should be at least AAMI level 3 rated. 2 pairs of clean gloves. If available, one of them can be nitrile gloves. A head cover or cap, N95 mask, face shield and or goggles, and a pair of long shoe covers. This procedure is being demonstrated by the residents of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi. We pray that you stay safe. For donning, remove jewelry and watch, change into scrubs, use the washroom and have water and food if needed. You may not be able to come out of the PPE before your shift gets over. Make sure all the components of PPE are available. Confirm the size of the gloves available. If you are wearing a mask which is appropriate for the clinical area, which means that it is a well-fitting N95 or FFP2 mask, you can continue wearing it to the clinical area. In such a case, you can keep the mask available with the PPE kit in your scrubs pocket. Do not keep your phone or other personal items in the pocket. If your mask is not appropriate for clinical areas, you may wear the mask provided with the PPE here. Start the process of donning now. The first step is to perform hand hygiene using the 6 steps as recommended. A handful of alcohol-based hand rub is first applied on all surfaces of the hands, followed by each individual step. Sit on the chair or stool and wear shoe covers now. Perform hand hygiene after wearing shoe covers. Now wear the first pair of gloves. If nitrile gloves are available, wear them as the first pair. If they are not available, you may wear the latex gloves. Next, wear the gown. Tie it from neck and waist properly. Take the help of the buddy while tying. In many areas, buddy may not be available. In such a case, you may take help from another healthcare worker who is donning along with you. Mirrors would always be available in the donning areas to help you with the process. Next, wear a surgical mask over your N95 to keep the N95 mask protected from possible soiling by infected splashes and secretions. If you want to wear goggles, you should wear the goggles now. Use of goggles is optional if you are wearing face shield. Goggles are not being used in the rest of the donning process in this video. Wear a head cap or hood to cover your head and hair. Now wear a face shield. Tighten the knob properly behind your head so that the face shield sits correctly on the forehead and is not too tight or too loose. Now wear the second pair of gloves. These should be clean latex gloves and maybe one size larger than the first pair of gloves. These should extend over your gown sleeve cuffs. After this, ask your buddy to check the gown and gear or check yourself in the mirror in the donning area. You may do adjustments to the PPE at this stage. Remember, while in the clinical area, you should not be adjusting the PPE. Doffing has to be done in the designated doffing area only. It has to be done carefully and mindfully. Make sure the buddy, if available, is in proper gear. If a buddy is not available, you may have to perform doffing using a foot-operated alcohol-based sanitizer dispenser, watching yourself carefully on the wall-mounted mirror. Perform hand hygiene as soon as you enter doffing area. Check for breach or soiling on your PPE. If there is any breach or soiling, clean the area with sodium hypochlorite swabs. Ideally, doffing should be done one at a time only. In the doffing area, there will be designated bin for items of PPE which are doffed. Discard all the items carefully in the bins only. Sit on the stool available in the doffing area and remove shoe covers by touching the outer surface only. Stand up and perform hand hygiene. Remove outer pair of gloves. Remove the first glove by holding it from outside and then hold it in the other hand, and then remove the other hand's glove by holding it from inside. Make a single pack out of the two gloves and discard them in the designated bin. Perform hand hygiene. Now you should remove the face shield. Bend a little forward while removing the face shield. Face shield and goggles are placed in a bin filled with hypochlorite so they can be sterilized and reused again. Perform hand hygiene. Remove the head cover or cap now. Bend a little forward and hold only the outer surface of the cap. Discard the cap in the designated bin. Perform hand hygiene. If you are using goggles, you should remove the goggles now. Again, bend a little forward while removing goggles. Hold them only from the back and sides. Place them gently in the bin with the hypochlorite solution. As usual, perform hand hygiene. Now you should remove the gown. The gown needs to be untied. Take the help of the buddy if the ties are tight. Pull the gown forward and pull out both the arms inside out. Roll the gown in such a way that the inner surface is out and the outer infected surface is in. Make a tight roll out of it and discard it in the bin. Perform hand hygiene again. Now remove the surgical mask by bending a little forward and holding only the ties of the mask. Do not touch the front surface of the mask. Perform hand hygiene. Now you should remove the inner pair of gloves. This is again done in the same manner as for the first pair by removing one glove first and making a single roll and discard them in the designated bin. Perform hand hygiene again. The doffing process is now over. If the shower area is situated next to the doffing area, you may remove the N95 mask here. Perform hand hygiene after removing and discarding the N95 mask and move to the shower area. Remember to wipe your shoes on the hypochlorite mop before leaving the doffing area. If the shower area is a little far away, you may retain the N95 till you reach the shower areas and discard the mask carefully in the bin kept outside the shower area and perform hand hygiene. Use a new mask after the shower.